what's going on.
We have been making up silly songs about what's been happening in our lives all week. The real Tom would know that. So that means you're the pig.
And that one is the pig.
Plan A, foiled. Initiate
Plan B.
Self-destruct.
He's gonna move.
Everyone exit the building in an orderly and single-file fashion. Head for the nearest emergency exit. Emergency exits are located to the sides and behind you.
It's good to be back. That is the last time I pretend to be anyone other than who I am.
You're the only Tom we need. Plus, the other one just exploded. So you're the only one we've got.
Oh, that's weird. I